If you're still blowing your account every other week, it's not the market, it's your method. Fixed Profit is here. I work with real traders, people who've turned frustration into structure. If you're losing money, confidence, or both, this message is for you. I added a modern, useful tool to my strategy, an AI-based robot that reads the market like a book, instantly reporting on key indicators and providing recommendations. And I have good news for you. You can get this bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the Trial Signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try the trading bot today.
So I started work, dollar and franc, 5 minutes. The bot showed me 5 red indicators, a slight bias in favor of the bears, but the situation remains very shaky. According to the historical data, I saw a narrow corridor, the price is moving in flat mode. I think that the sellers will be able to improve their positions a bit due to more intense saturation of the market with volumes. Friends, in order not to miss new useful content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Give us a like and comment. Your feedback is important to us. I have another very good news for you. I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. This is not financial advice. I show how I do it. So, the first rule in trading, risk 1 to 2% per position. I know, you've heard it. But are you doing it? Most traders blow up not because they're wrong, but because they're too heavy when they are. Discipline isn't sexy, but neither is losing 70% of your account in 2 days because you felt sure about a setup. Manage risk like it's your job, because it is. I once had $500 in my account and convinced myself I could double it in a week. I went all in. Twice. I won once, then lost it all on the third. That's when I realized this isn't about speed, it's about staying in the game long enough to win. Mistake most people make. People think success in trading comes from more trades, more signals, more hustle. But in reality, it comes from fewer, smarter, and more structured decisions. From building routines, from data, not dopamine. How to do it right. Start by tracking your trades. Review everything. Set rules you follow like religion. Stick to your 1 to 2% allocation. Don't trade everything. Trade what you understand. If there's no plan, there's no trade. This is where my Signals Assistant Fixed Profit comes in. It's not here to think for you, it's here to keep you disciplined, to show you clean setups based on real structure and behavior, not gut feelings. Just yesterday, the assistant alerted a confluence between resistance on Euro, USD, and weakening momentum. Result? One clean signal, $8 profit off a $10 position. Not luck, just logic delivered in real time. Now here's the kicker. You can get access to this assistant for free forever, but only if you claim it this month. Once time's up, the free license disappears and you'll need a paid subscription. Links in the description. I have just successfully completed my first operation because my observations and qualitatively gathered information from the robot are making real things happen. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. I opened a new trade. The bot showed me 7 red indicators. Yes, the sellers were starting to build up their advantage. The tick volume histogram is screaming for it. The red bars in the past few minutes really inspire confidence. Folks, I want to remind you again, we help with training. To chat about training, email our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. I have sped up the price movement for ease of viewing. You're not behind. You're just one strategy away from control. This isn't magic, it's mastery, and it's available for anyone with the grit to earn it. If you found value in this, hit like, subscribe for more insight, comment below what's the #1 rule you follow to keep your trading sane, or tell me what your biggest mistake taught you. Deposits matter. And let's be real, if you're working with $100, you'll earn in cents. $1,000. Now we're talking dollars. The more you bring in, the more efficiently your trades can compound. Don't underfund your potential. Smart analysis tips. Focus on structure before you zoom into candles. Check price reaction at previous highs and lows. Track setups that work. Tag patterns. Build repetition. Don't just collect trades, build proof. Drop in the comments your go-to confirmation signal, how you manage your risk, your biggest aha from last month's trading. Let's learn from each other and grow smarter together. Top 5 mistakes holding you back. Trading emotionally, not structurally. Risking inconsistent amounts. Chasing signals you don't understand. Skipping journaling. Ignoring volume and context. Volume tells you who's actually behind the move. Price without volume, that's noise. Context tells you why that move matters. Is it reacting to news, a fake out from consolidation, a retest of an institutional level? When traders ignore these two, volume and context, they're just chasing shadows. Smart traders don't just ask what the market is doing, they ask why and who's behind it. In the meantime, I have completed my work. You've seen my results on your screens, friends. Get the bot and subscribe. Bye.